Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X100 and let me show you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and let's go to your contact list. Now let's choose the one you want to customize, for example Tom, and click on this pencil icon in order to edit it. Now let's click on the camera icon and you can either take a photo and open the camera app or simply choose a photo. So let me choose a photo. And let's choose something. From this level you can customize the size of this square, and at the same time you can decide what you will see after saving this contact. So let me do maybe something like this. And if you're ready, click on save. As you can see, we've just added a photo to a contact. If you are ready and if you are sure that you want to leave it like this, simply click on save. And as you can see here, we've got our photo added. Let's get back and check. And as you can see now, the Tom has its own photo and you will see it during incoming calls and texting with that person. So that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your DOOGEE X100. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.